Hi guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love star Michael proposes to his partner Cherry. It's another great news out of the Ultimate Love reality TV show season 1 as another couple, Michelle, Michael and Cherry, have accepted to marry each other after an engagement. Michael Ngene has proposed to his ultimate girl Cherry Osigwe barely 1 month after they became the first love guests and couple to be evicted or checked out from the show. In a post on her Instagram page, Cherry confirmed with a photo of her engaged finger that she has accepted to marry her heartthrob Michael. She wrote, "It will forever be a yes, honey boo. At official Michael Ngene, I love you." Some of our Ultimate Love colleagues have also taken to their various social media platforms to share congratulatory messages to them. Congratulations, Michelle. I hope what you found lasts long and forever. Congratulations once again. So fans of Michelle, you've seen it all. Your favorite couples are now engaged. Send them a congratulatory message and encourage them and share with them the joy they found. Alright guys, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.